Taken them on and got them all in shape and all ready to sing. And in just a minute or so, we're going to start the program officially with the Star Spangled Banner. Give them a big round of applause while you can. And we have a fine gentleman over here who is doing sign language for the hearing impaired. And give him a big cheer, too. Yep, there you go.
Can't see anything.
All right. We got about 30 seconds. Remind you to be in an attitude of prayer that God will touch the heart of this city for the message of life. Yes. You know, a few minutes ago we were talking about dear Nellie, and she went to be with the Lord, doing what she loves to do. She was working in the March for Life office when she went to be with Him. And God bless her. We know she's with us today, praying for us from heaven. And we miss her here, but we know she's keeping God good company. All right, ladies and gentlemen,
Hey, can you
our national anthem.
This is why.
Oh, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts